Welcome back. Now, although Zapier has a robust interface to help you to find the applications that will actually connect, one of the best ways to locate applications that will connect together through Zapier will be to use Google Search. And in order to do that, you're simply going to write in first the application that you are using. In this case, we'll write in Gmail. Then we're going to write in the words Zapier integration. And then once you do that, you'll then write in the application that you are searching for. If you want to know perhaps if Gmail integrates with Trello, you'll then write in Trello. Once you do that, you'll then click search. You'll typically then see one search result at the very top. You're going to click into that result, and typically that result is going to be from Zapier.com. You'll be taken inside of your account, and what you'll typically see is that you'll see a number of Zapier applications that will have the two that you are looking for. Then you'll see a number down at the bottom that will say 1 of 5 of 100. What that will do is that will take you to 100 related integrations. You can scroll through the integrations to determine just how many integrations you have with the two applications you're looking for. In this case, you'll notice that there are 13 total. Once you've found the application that will best fit what you are trying to do, you'll then click inside of the application. That will take you inside of the setup screen for the integration. And of course, you can do this as many times as you deem necessary. So again, we'll write in the application that we are using. We'll then write in Zapier integration. Then we'll write in the application we want to determine a connection to. And once we've done that, we'll then click search. Again, you'll see that there is a search result at the very top. That search result will be from Zapier.com. You can click inside of that result. You'll determine the total number of applications. In this case, you have 12. You'll then find the one that best fits what you want to do, and you'll click inside. And you are then ready to start using Zapier to connect the two applications. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.